Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This week we're going to be addressing fats and how not all fats are bad. And of course the focus is on GHEE, so let's get started. So you remember back in the day when we were told fat is bad and that is what makes us fat? Well, research now shows that fat is actually good for you. That's what fuels you, keeps you satiated, and provides the minerals and vitamins that your body needs. So don't fear fat, but you need to be mindful of where it's coming from. Which brings us to our fat of the day, GHEE. GHEE was born in South Asia, and this is how many people cooked back in the day. Before all the unhealthy oils came into the market, it was GHEE that people cooked with. All right, so to begin, we need some butter. Make sure yours is grass-fed and organic to get the most out of your GHEE. Because, we want our food to nourish us and give us medicinal and spiritual benefits as well. Okay, so here I have half a pound or 8 ounces of butter, and I just cubed it up so that it would heat evenly. And now that the butter is melting, you have the foamy milk that rises to the top, which you're going to skim. You have the fat, which will be our GHEE, and then the milk solids. These are little specks of brown that you will see on the bottom of your pan. That's what makes GHEE dairy-free actually, and can be enjoyed by people who are lactose intolerant or dairy-free. So at this point, you just want to simmer your GHEE on low heat and just watch it. Make sure you don't burn it, because there is a chance you can burn the GHEE and it turns into brown butter. This should take around 20 minutes or so, and the milk solids that you see on the bottom of your pan should be a caramel color and not too brown. So that's your sign. But that's it. That's basically your GHEE. And now you're going to simply put it into a jar, but strain it through a cheesecloth so that any dairy, any milk solids that are there will strain out. And that's really it. Now, as you can see, all those brown little remnants are strained out. Your pot of gold, guys. This is so easy to make and goes a long way. You can use it on top of your stack of rotis. You can cook with it. You can put it in cake like this one here, and I'm going to leave a link for how to make this luscious, moist, gluten-free, dairy-free chocolate cake. And that's it. It takes about 20 minutes. You need to watch it, but it's as simple as that, and it's totally worth it, because now you know where that GHEE is coming from. You want to scope out the best one. Even if you go to the grocery store, make sure that it's organic and grass-fed. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a whole blog post you can go and look at for the many benefits of GHEE, and I'll leave a link to it down in the description box. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.